comes the other train. And we're gonna depart. Alright, this is back row. I'm Manta. I believe this is an Intamin launch coaster. Here we go. Look at that beautiful fish tank we go by. Oh my gosh. Oh, and there's mantas in there. Oh my gosh. Look above us. Oh, look at this beautiful artwork of mantas. And we're gonna flow with them. That's the cool part. Okay, the door's opening. They keep that close to keep all the cool air in. We're gonna launch it Oh! 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 Wow! Whoa! Oh! There's so many near misses. And another one! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Woo! And back into the station. This ride just keeps going. When you think it's gonna, do a turnaround, it just keeps going. It's a very long coaster, and I love that. All the near miss elements just make it amazing. I don't think there's any other coaster I've been on with this many near miss elements. And I think I need more of that. I need more coasters with this many near miss elements because there's just so many. It's so good. It's literally like you're a manta going through the ocean, weaving in and out of rocks and waves and stuff.